Okay, this how-to video is going to describe some new functionality that Cadence introduced in OrCAD and Allegro. And it was version 16.6, and it's the service update 6. And it's step file support, so it's giving you the ability to look at import step models and use step models. So there's a couple of setup things we need to do first. So if we go to the setup menu, user preferences, there's an unsupported folder. So if we click on the unsupported folder, there's a step unsupported prototype function that will have to restart the software. But while we're here, I'm also going to go and set up something called a step path. Now this is where the tools will look for any step models that you have. So if we go to paths and library, there's a step path setting environment variable here. We've got something set. Now I've got something set here already, but you would just add this the same way you add a pad path or a PSM path. You'd hit on browse, go and locate where your step models are actually going to be stored. So once that's set, what we'll do is we'll just close and reopen PCB Editor. Now I can use an Allegro license or I can use an OrCAD license, so we'll always start with an OrCAD PCB standard license. And we'll just open a board. And what happens here is when you go to the 3D view, it takes a little bit longer this time because it's now effectively loading any models that you've done. And we'll show another video that shows you how to map all the models, but this is basically just going to show you effectively what the view will look like. So you can see when the view comes up, I've actually got a cover on here, so let's just hide the cover for now. We've actually got correct step models of connectors and ICs, and these are just done as a mapping point of view, so you can see you get an accurate display. The visual update is very, very quick to process and spin the models around. We can actually change the colors, so we can look at maybe show the design stack up and show the model colors. You can actually start to see your kind of typical green PCB with the step models on there. We can actually start to include things like, let's show the cover. We'll actually have a solid view of an imported step file as a cover.